At any given time, existing buildings represent about 97% of the total building stock and therefore present the biggest opportunity to reduce the industry's impact on the environment. However, by their very nature, they also represent the biggest challenge because they are trapped in the technology, construction practices and standards of their time. Clearly, environmental performance is an important indicator in a facility manager's balanced scorecard when assessing a building's performance capability. Retrofitting existing buildings to improve environmental performance is expected to form a significant proportion of future capital expenditure by building owners and managers. They now see the opportunity to respond to a better informed market and at the same time save money on operating costs such as energy and water usage, improve worker productivity, lower absenteeism, strengthen employee attraction and increase rental return and capital value. They recognise that companies that do not have green workplaces will be at a competitive disadvantage. We examine a comprehensive approach offered by the Property Council of Australia, which engaged the assistance of ARIP. Titled Existing Buildings Survival Strategies, the fascinating thing about this guide to improving the environmental performance of existing buildings is that it draws together some of the key themes of this course. The structured six-step process establishes the current level of performance and seeks to establish targets against the measures that define green buildings by drawing upon the concept of a balanced scorecard to understand the current performance. It goes on to relate this in a matrix that helps target a reasonable level of refurbishment commensurate with the building's performance and its physical condition. While this is very much similar to the approach taken in the asset performance management model, its main focus here relates to options appropriate for an environmental retrofit. For each level of refurbishment, it offers an extensive range of improvement initiatives across the key characteristics defining green buildings, such as energy, with reference to lighting, heating, ventilation and cooling, and associated emissions. It also refers to indoor air quality, water and material usage, social issues including occupational health and safety, and building compliance. From the many options offered, for each level of refurbishment, the model also provides ways of assisting the prioritisation of these by giving an indication of the capital cost, sustainability benefits, and those that are likely to accrue to building owners and to building occupants. In many respects, this is similar to the sort of techniques described in the asset performance management model previously discussed. Thank you.
Now, when we started, I had the first slide on introduction on just the title, but I